In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscription and recurring payments on Shopify. Whether you're looking to add a subscription service to your existing Shopify store or planning to introduce new recurring payment options, follow along with these easy-to-follow steps to get started seamlessly. To begin, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is look for the option labeled Add on the sidebar or the main menu, depending on your store's layout. It might take a moment to spot depending on your familiarity with the interface, but generally this step is quite straightforward. Clicking Add will bring you to a new menu where you can access the Shopify App Store. Now, once you're in the App Store, move over to the search bar and type in Subscription. This is where you'll find a variety of apps that can help you manage subscriptions and recurring payments. It's all about finding the right tool to integrate into your existing business model, so feel free to spend some time here exploring your options. After typing subscription, you'll be shown several app options. In this instance, let's focus on the AppStore SM Subscriptions app. This app is widely used and highly recommended for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Click on it and you'll be directed to the app's page where you can review its features, read user reviews, and make an informed decision that it's the right fit for your store. Next up on the app page, look for the button that says Install. Go ahead and click it. This action will prompt Shopify to confirm the installation process. You might be required to grant certain permissions, which are necessary for the app to function correctly. Review these permissions to ensure everything is up to your standards and within your comfort level for security. Once the installation is successfully complete, you should find yourself redirected to the AppStore Apps interface within Shopify. Here you'll likely see an onboarding tutorial. You might find these helpful, but if you're eager to jump right into configuring your subscriptions, you can opt to skip these by clicking Exit Onboarding. Finally, take a moment to navigate to the Subscriptions tab inside the app interface. From here, you can start customizing your subscription plans, setting billing cycles, and tailoring the options to best suit your products and customer needs. Be sure to test everything beforehand to make sure your customers have a smooth experience. And that's it! With these steps, you've now set up a subscription and recurring payment system using Shopify. This feature can provide consistent revenue and increase customer loyalty, so take advantage of it. Be sure to check back with your subscribers regularly for feedback and to make any necessary tweaks. Thank you for watching and happy selling!